Welcome back. We just went to Chase Creek Falls and it's stunning.
So nice.
It's right off the highway, so if you're driving by, I highly recommend you take the 5-minute walk over.
Yeah, very easy to get to. We loved it.
Like always, Google Maps sent us in the wrong direction again.
Yep.
Either way, it's across the highway for the parking lot, and supposedly you go under this little bridge up over here.
And there's like parking beside all these school buses. You can't find it.
It's a little nippy today.
Yeah, I'm cold.
Whoa! Whoa!
What is that? Treetop flyers?
Oh, there's treetop flyer zip line over here. That's cool.
I want to go zip lining.
You can't because of COVID.
COVID ruins everything.
Wow, cool.
Have I been ziplining before? Oh, I think I've ziplined once, like way back when I went to Nestle Bible Camp when I was really young.
Okay, cool.
But I'd love to go ziplining in like
Oh, wow.
Thailand and cool.
This is super cool. I'll get you guys some footage. The coolest thing about this Chase Creek is all the little ice chutes going down. You can look right into the creek and watch the water flowing underneath. And it has a couple feet in between.
Holy guacamole!
It's right there.
Right there. Look at all the ice. Oh my gosh. Crazy. That's so pretty. We came, we saw Chase Creek Falls. Oh yeah.
Sun baby.
I'll be here.